So in this video we'll discuss about two sum array. So what is this two sum array? In this array what we have to do is integer array 2 7 4 3 11. So this is our array, and what we have to do is we have to find the two elements in two elements making sum like 9. So here we have to find the two elements that are making sum as 9. So if you see in the array, the sum of only two numbers like 2 and 7 makes 9. Other than that, like, there is no other element that makes sum as 9. So we have to find the index value of those two elements. So if you see, 2 is on the 0th index and 7 is on the first index, right? So we have to find this as a output for the sum 9, right? So this is our final output. So how to do that in this array? So for this I have created one class to sum array. I'm using Java language. I have created class, and inside this class we are having this main method, and inside this main method integer array 2 7 4 3 11. This is the given array, and I have written the for loops. There are two for loops. One is outer for loop and second one is inner for loop. So let's first understand what is out in the outside for loop. Integer I is equal to 0, I less than array dot length I plus plus. Here we are just traversing inside the array elements 2 7 4 3 11. So I value is 0 to array dot length means we will check all the array elements, and in the other for loop which is inside the for loop, integer j is equal to array dot length minus 1, which means this array dot length minus 1 means basically array follows indexing. That's why this length of the array is now 5, right? And so it starts from 0. That's why we have to, when we write array dot length, it will give us as a 5. When we do 5 minus 1, that is 4, and it will go from 0 1 2 3 4. So which means it starts from 0. That's why the array length will be 5, and traversing from back like 11 3 4 7 2. And in the outer for loop, what we are doing is we are traversing from front like 2 7 4 3 11. Okay, so how that we are doing, we are let's understand this inside this if condition. The condition is array of I means this I means this outer for loop. So for each array of I value plus array of j, this outer inner for loop, array of j, we want the sum is equal to 9, right? This is our condition. So for this condition we want to print I value and j value. So what will happen here for each iteration? Okay, I will explain you for the first iteration what will happen. So for the first iteration, integer I is equal to 0, value will be there. Okay, so when I value is 0, so it will open the for loop, inside inner for loop, and here array of I value will be 0, array of 0 will be 2 plus array of j. So here iteration will go from back, like firstly array of j will be like 4, array of 4 is 11, so 2 plus 11 will be 13. So the condition failed, so it will not print. Then again the array of I is constant here for all the iterations from back to front, right? So array of 0 will be 2, and then array of 3 will be then array of 3 will be 3. So like 2 plus 3 5, so which is again failing the condition. Again array of 0 is 2 plus array of 2 is 4, 2 plus 4 6. Again array of 0, 2 plus array of 1 is 7, 2 plus 7 9. So array of 0 comma 1. So when I value of array of 0 I is 0 and array of j is 1, right? That time we are getting 9, so we will print this. So for first we will get 0 comma 1. So this condition we will get firstly. Then and then what will happen is for the sake again array of 0, array of 0 plus array of j is also 0, so 2 plus 2 again it will become 4. So this will not work. Then again the value of I will increase from 0 to 1, and now what will happen, array of 1 is 7, and it will check for from backward itself, like 7 plus 11, firstly 11, then again condition will fail. 7 plus array of 4 is 3 is 3, again 7 plus 3 10, 7 plus 4 11, 7 plus 7 14, 7 plus 0, array of j is 0, then 2, like 7 plus 2 will be 9. So then it will print as a 1 comma 0, like that. So these are the two outputs that we are expecting from this loop. So let's print the code, and hope you will understand this. Let's execute the code and check whether we will get the same output. What happened? Yes, we are getting the answers. So 1 comma 0 0 comma 1. So this is our expected output and we are getting it. Yeah, that is it, and that's how we can print these indexes. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.